Researchers at the Indian Institute of Technology-Mandi have developed an artificial structural material that can help stealth vehicles and covert installations remain invisible to radars. This material can absorb radar signals from whatever direction it hits the target. It can also be used to cover the windows or glass panels in stealth vehicles and critical installations that need to remain invisible to the radar. During tests, this technology was successful in absorbing more than 90% of the radar waves in a wide range of frequencies. Radar is used for surveillance, detection, navigation and tracking of aircraft, ships, vehicles and covert installations. Keeping military equipment invisible to radars is an important defense strategy. In such a situation, this achievement of Indian researchers can make India stronger in the defense sector. Apart from the defense sector, this technology can also be used in the commercial sector to reduce radiation leakage from buildings, making them more secure.